Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to look at the Jupyter Notebook installation on Windows. Go to command prompt and type pip install notebook. So this command will install Jupyter Notebook on our Windows machine. Now that the installation is over, let's open Jupyter Notebook. So in the command prompt, type Jupyter Notebook. This will open the Jupyter Notebook in a browser. So this is how my Jupyter Notebook will look like. Now let's create our first Python program. For that, I'll go to New and then I'll click on Python. This will create a new notebook for our first program and the name of that file is going to be untitled. Now let's rename it to Hello World. To start with, let's give a very simple print message saying Hello World. So I'll type print Hello World. Then I'll save this notebook. To run this print statement, I'll click on Run. So my output, which is Hello World, gets printed. This is how we work with Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook is very beneficial as it helps in writing our code in various sections, and we can execute the sections of code without executing the complete code. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel to get alerts on new videos related to Python and data science.